things have come so far in the 22 years I've been an athlete, a triathlete, professional triathlete, and I've never would have imagined someone actually fitting the drinking system inside the bike. Back in the late 80s we had, I think it's called an Airstream system. It was behind the seat. There was a bladder behind the seat that you would have to inflate before the race, and then if you were unlucky to have the end shoot off, your whole entire drinking system would leak out all over you in the first few Ks. So things have come a long way, and I'm really privileged to be part of the development of the bike and being able to ride the most amazing equipment and technology in the world. Specialized is literally at the leading edge of technology and research and pushing the envelope and following what the athletes want.